We're back in Hanoi, Old Quarter. We're going to check out the train street. I arrived here yesterday from Sapa and yeah, had a good sleep. So this is the famous train street. I think we're starting to get into it now. It's not the railroad track yet, but all the buildings are starting to say train street cafe, train street electricians, train street this, train street that. Apparently the trains come at 11 a.m, 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. and it's around 10:30 a.m. right now. So hopefully in 30 minutes we can see the train. I'll sit down, get some coffee, chill out a bit in this very overstimulating environment. Just following the white people. Okay, we made it onto Train Street. The train track right there. People having coffee and stuff. There's a big ass rooster, boy.
Yeah, wow.
Oh my god. Big chook.
Yeah.
Rooster.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You eat it?
Yeah,
Or
about
pet?
the inside here, you know, I'm not sure, but I think about it 4 years ago.
Oh, 4 years ago. Oh, right. Wow.
Where you from?
Australia.
Australia, yeah, nice to meet you.
Is this your shop?
Oh, it's so good.
Alright.
Australian.
Oh, nice. Nice
I
hat.
love. I think about the fan, it's Melbourne.
Oh, in Melbourne, right. I'm from Perth,
Yeah.
West Australia.
Exactly,
Yeah,
right.
Most people are from Sydney.
Yeah, about in the family, in the city, about in the farm, in the big, yeah, about 4,000 meters.
Oh, 4,000 meters. On the farm.
Yes.
Your family.
Yeah.
Oh, right, cool. Alright, cool, man. Cool, dude. I was admiring his chicken and he started talking to me about, wow, big chicken. I mean, rooster. Shit. That's cool spots to sit. So it looks like the train's coming around 11:15 a.m. Oh, all good. I'm just filming. No. Whoa. Oh, fuck. That's cool people so far. Got a coffee from this lady. I went a bit boring. I got just iced milk coffee. They have a lot of coffee. They have cacao egg coffee. They've got coffee with yogurt, snow coffee, coffee chocolate, caramel coffee, orange coffee, banana coffee, and then they have all sorts of stuff. Yeah. Strong. Very good. Very nice. I've just gotten salted. Trying to clean my shoes, but I wouldn't let him. It's kind of valid though, they are dirty. But I'm probably going to bin them after this trip anyway. Starting to get busy now, this train street. Many tourists. Hopefully no one gets run over or killed today. I'm here with my Vietnamese brother. That's a Cohiba, right? That's Cohiba. Cigar. Big cigar. And then this one? What is this one? King Edward. Oh. Okay. And then this one. This one. Oh, okay. What's the cheapest? I've got my cigar. I've got my brother here watching the YouTube channel. I want to smoke it when the train comes past. And I got my banh mi.
Thôi em chạy lên về lóc này cho mọi người. Ok. Gà.
And they're like, shh. I'm not the best cigar smoker. I don't know what I'm doing actually. I've only smoked a cigar like 2-3 times in my life with my brother. My brother's probably cringing right now. It's not burning evenly. And I'm tweaking a bit off this coffee. I'm shaking like a branch in the wind. Yeah, boy.
Thử đấy, thử hơi đấy. Đâu.
It's probably got cancer in it. The train's coming. I'm gonna run out of cigar before the train comes.
Tư vườn chân ngành. Thôi anh trên để nó đồ đó nè.
Cigar hit me up. It's from China.
Cặp trai cạn quá. Sao vậy?
I feel sick. I don't feel good.
Good.
I need to bin this.
We went to come here.
Strange street. How you doing? All good.
Where you come from?
Australia.
I see in Taipei 52 museum and pagoda and open now. Ticket free.
Oh no, all good. I've been to the pagoda.
Uh,
Yeah, thank you, bro. I need to go. Locust Hotel.
I know. Cắt ticket sir. Where's
He said 200. I said no. 175. The guy said shit cigar from China. Oh my god. Ah!
You mean? I know Pazu I.
Low. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes, it's not good. I wouldn't get again.
Áo đây này.
I need to bin it. Hey! Oh, statue. Buddha? Is it a Buddha statue?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Buddha statue. Hanoi. I'm getting a ride to the hotel. I had coffee and cigar.
Yeah. Coffee and cigar.
Caffeine and nicotine equal protein. Ugh. But too much. Ugh. Oh, it's so bad, bro. Oh, so bad. In Australia, we have Cuban cigar from Cuba. But here, I think it's China. Ugh. Chinese cigar. Yeah. Still lit. Can you say Louis on the move?
I'm sorry.
Louis on the move.
I know, sir.
Oh no, can you say for my YouTube?
I know.
Okay, brother. No shout out today. I was going to use that as a clip for the intro to this video, but oh yeah. I feel sick. Just follow the banana lady. I'm with my brother. Hey, brother.
هلا
Welcome back.
back maybe.
They're in the penthouse at Classic Hotel, in the premium location. Yeah, all of Hanoi. Wow. It's very nice. Apartment area with my brothers, Sultan and his father. This is awesome. Cheers. Yeah, I just showed up here. I was meeting with my friend. I didn't expect it to be this nice, but the views are beautiful. Some Saudi Arabian music. Marble flooring. You can play Let's go. They gave me a Sapporo. I'm very happy to be here. Even the toilet area has a balcony. These are my Saudi Arabia friends I first met when I was in Vietnam, when I rocked up in Hanoi. I just said, would you like a beer? And we've been friends ever since for the past 3 weeks, catching up in Ninh Binh, Hanoi, and now I'm back in Hanoi for a week before I go back to Australia. And yeah, we're just chilling at this hotel. Thank you for the beers, brother.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You want a beer? Yeah. Cheers, bro. I'm with Sultan, my brother. How was your Vietnam trip so far?
So well. Very nice. Last 3 days I got happy.
4 Heinekens, we've got some ice, and 4 glasses, and a bottle opener. To see how this night ends. Yes, sir. Oh. I'm pretty tipsy, to be honest, but I just want to keep the vlog going. I appreciate all the support. I'm trying to produce videos weekly. And if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be so much appreciated. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. And yeah, not much more to say.
من وسط العاصمة الفيتنامية ديار هوشي منها شابة. الحين في الأمطار لنا أسبوع ما طلعنا من السكن. كل يوم نحاول نطلع بس ما في إمكانية. باقي لنا يمكن كم يوم إن شاء الله راجعين لبلدنا الحبيب السعودية. نسلم على جميع الأهل والأصدقاء وعلى الجماعة كلهم. نطمنهم إنه بخير كل شيء طيب.
اي
اوكي. هذا اخونا من استراليا.
استراليا. سعودي ارابيا.
أيوة. صديق لنا تقابلنا معه هنا وقاعد يصورنا. شرس.
شرس.
هلا 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 هلا. استراليا يلعب معنا لعب شيء. السعودية في اثنين. Oh, hey.
Give me the confidence and I will come. These boys have got to be at the airport around 9 p.m. And we're waiting for a Grab driver. It's very busy. We're at a Korean restaurant.
1, 2, 3.
I'm with my brother. I just met you. Where are you from? From the UK.
Slash India. No.
Yeah, sure.
How's it? Like a pro. Like a pro.
Let's go, what's that?